AI is really works right now. We have many interesting achievements based on AI like the last 10 years, and some of them it's very common, it's very usable in our life, and we don't think that this is AI. It's our usual life. I make it short, very short, brief, not about all AI achievements, not about all AI technologies, but some of them. I will start from image recognition because the first AI revolution happens in computer vision areas. It was a brilliant achievement in image recognition, and first commercial product based, one of the first commercial products based on neural networks is image recognition. Here on the screen, examples how it works. Search by image, you can upload your image now in any searching engine and receive the result. It happens about different companies start this product in different years, but it happens in year 2014. We launched this service based on neural network. Yandex launched the service based on neural networks. Google, Microsoft, and other. Frankly say, most big tech company has not any other options not implement to AI. All start to implement neural network and AI services in AI technologies into their services and products. The second very common point in text-to-speech and acoustic speech recognition, text generation and speech recognition. We use it every day in our when we talk with our voice assistant, when we use navigator, and in in many cases in our life. Now, it sounds very usual, but just 10 years ago, it absolutely doesn't work compared with current level. Next example is machine translation. Did you remember how machine translation works 10 years ago? It looks just one word translated into one word. Now, it works in a human level. And self-driving cars. You can ask me, is the self-driving cars our daily use product? Somewhere, yes. In Moscow, near our headquarters, it's very easy to recognize who is local and who's not. There are many small delivery robots operate in near our office, our robots. And for locals, it looks like part of cityscape, usual part of cityscape. They ignore it, but people who just who travel on this place, who not local, try to make a video or photo with this robot. It looks like fantastic, but it's really work. We have in Russia we have one very small experimental city which named Innopolis, where all taxi services and all delivery services it's self-drivers vehicles. And many other services. Some of us don't think about weather forecast, but all weather forecasts in the world now completely based on machine learning services. In Yandex, I can give you an example. We do service which we name Medium. It's weather prediction and also it's prediction of rain or snow. And this service is based on satellite imagery, and this service which made by just free machine learners. AI technologies give us possibility to create new brilliant services with very small teams. And many other recommendation system. Now it's very common that Spotify or our Yandex Music or other music services recommend you exactly what you want, but it's based on machine learning, on AI technologies, neural network technologies. This is my speech just for show you that AI is not only in future. AI is works many years for this moment. But what happens last couple of years? This is the lastest revolution of AI. Why I say lastest but not second? there are many revolutions between these. Just for example, in year 2050, we make a rebranding for machine learning. After AlphaGo wins human Go, we rename machine learning into AI. It's for me, it's a very important point because I think this rebranding increased my salary twice or 4 times. And about generative AI. When we talk about generative AI, we talk first we talk about text generation, second image generation. I don't want to talk with you about how it works. I think you know many examples and you understand that it looks like really revolution. It looks like AGI is very common. It's very near and happens very soon. We can generate text. Top companies, Yandex, Microsoft, Google, Baidu, Chinese companies, and of course brilliant startups like OpenAI or Mistral show his text models, large language models, which show really brilliant results, and many hype around generative networks. We can see that if programmer use Copilot, he can increase 2 times his performance. It sounds as a future. And many hype around generative adversarial networks. But AI is instantly expensive. When we compare price for one request to classic searching engine and to searching engine which use generative large language model or just pure language model, the expensive of this request 10 times more. It's really expensive. And when we read any articles, we see how many investors spend to generative adversarial network. Why? There are 2 ingredients. One ingredient is hardware. It's sorry for my English, but I can't find needed word. It's really huge. It's unbelievable money we need, the resources we need to create data centers to prepare hardware. And second, people. We have real problem with qualified machine learning specialists. Create your own machine learning team. It's also very expensive. And when we read some articles, some news about artificial intelligence, we can see that there are many money companies spent to develop machine learning products. Many. But who's win? Who is profitable who use machine learning technologies? Except NVIDIA, of course. Okay, maybe it's big tech companies like Google, Yandex, Baidu, Meta, etc. I am not sure, because it's still huge investment without increased profit. We have not chance to not create AI services because our competitors do it. And we in the game, but we spend money. Maybe small startups like OpenAI, Mistral, and Taza, brilliant crypto startup, Armenian, not Armenian, international startup with development office in Yerevan. Yes, but is it okay for the investors? I'm not sure. What about other companies? Traditional companies with traditional industry like media, metallurgy, oil, automotive, etc. Some of them say that we are maybe best company about if we talk about implementation of AI technologies, because our team generate profit like generate revenue like money that we spend to this team. Seriously? This is our target, to just return our money for use these technologies. Why we need still push AI? Why we need invest to AI? Do we need invest to AI? This is a question and answer from latest OpenAI network. Pork wings recept. Yeah, sometimes, very often times, large language model shows brilliant result, but sometimes they looks very stupid. Is it not wasting money for GPU for receive this result? I think that currently no one really knows what it will bring. I think it takes a leap of faith. And I give you a reason why we need to do this. Have you idea what's on the screen? Who have any idea? First site on the web. That's correct. That's correct. 30 years ago, internet looks like this. What we think in this time about internet? I have only one idea. It's a post killer. It's a system which kill a mail or post system. Yes, because a message, very fast delivery mail from one city to other city via internet compare with traditional mail system. That's all. There are no idea about social networks, about streaming services like YouTube's Navigator, personal assistant, and other which we use daily in our life, and that in this time. And let's compare. This is list of top companies by market cap 30 years ago and 1 year ago. Okay, let's see this. 30 years ago, only one IT company, IBM, in top 10. Now, most companies in top 10 is IT companies. This happens just 30 years. And for me, it's very interesting to see the position of NVIDIA company in the end of this year. Maybe NVIDIA being first on this list. Can we now live without internet, computers, or smartphone? Have you any idea what's on this picture? Let's try to understand. It's an airplane ticket booking system before internet. How it works, how people can book airplane ticket before internet. How it works. It's office, headquarters of air company. When you go to ticket office, they call to headquarters and ask, have we free tickets for needed flight, for needed time, for needed direction and needed day? And they look to the board and say, yes, we have, or no, we have not. Can we use this system right now, today? Why not? We can. But can avia company be alive in the market using these technologies? Of course, not. What profit receive avia companies when they develop and use the system of electronic, all IT digital services like booking via internet, like special application, etc., etc., etc.? Actually, zero. Now this is baseline. Now what this is need to do for be in the game. And I think today absolutely same situation when we talk about AI. I think one of our idea what AI give us in the future, what profit give us. Is it possible? Yeah, sure. If we can see on previous slide many new companies, like Meta as example. I'm sure that we will find absolutely new ideas how to use AI, and many new companies was established, huge companies, which we will see on the top list next year. But most of companies now must implement AI technologies in their services, products, or technology pipeline, like they already integrate here personal computers, mobile phones, internet, and other digital services. And I think that development of artificial intelligence is not a question for this moment. The question is what place you will take in this race. Thank you very much.